Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to focus on SAT math questions, math exam questions. Let's start with the first question. Which expression is equivalent to 4 over 4x minus 5 minus 1 over x plus 1? To subtract one rational expression from another, the denominators of the expressions must be the same. Since 4x minus 5 and x plus 1 do not have any common factors, each rational expression should be written with a denominator. So, 4 over 4x minus 5 minus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to, let's cross multiply. 4x plus 1 minus 4x minus 5 divided by x plus 1 times 4x minus 5. This is equal to 4x plus 4 minus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 1 times 4x minus 5. This is equal, or let's continue, it is equal to 4x minus 4x is 0 and 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 over x plus 1 times 4x minus 5. That's the answer. So, choice A is correct. Now let's go to the next question. This is the second question. For the function f of 0 is equal 86, and for each increase in x by 1, the value of f of x decreases by 80%. What is the value of f2? It's given that f of 0 is equal to 86, and that for each increase in x by 1, the value of f of x decreases by 80%. Because the output of the function decreases by a constant percentage for each 1 unit increase in the value of x, this relationship can be represented by an exponential function of the form f of x equal to f of x equal to a times b to the power of x, where a represents the initial value of the function and b represents the rate of decay, expressed as a decimal, because f of 0 is equal to 86. The value of a must be 86, because the value of f of x decreases by 80% for each 1 unit increase in x. The value of b must be, the value of a must be 86 and the value of b must be 1 minus 0.8 or 0.2. Therefore, the function f can be defined by f of x is equal to 86 times 0.2 to the power of x. Substituting 2 for x in this function yields f of 2 is equal to 86, 0.2 to the power of 2, which is equal to 3.44. So the correct choice is C. C is the correct choice. That's the answer. Now let's go to the next question. Question 3. In the xy plane, a line with equation 2y equal to 4.5 intersects a parabola at exactly one point. If the parabola has equation y equal to minus 4x squared plus bx, where b is a positive constant, what is the value of b? It is given that a line with equation, let me change the color, 2y equal to 4.5 intersects a parabola with equation y equal to minus 4x squared plus bx, where b is a positive constant at exactly one point in the xy plane. It follows that the system of equations consisting of 2y equal to 4.5 and 2y equal to 4.5 and y equal to minus 4x squared plus bx has exactly one solution. Dividing both sides of the equation of the line by 2 yields y is equal to 2.25. Substituting 2.25 for y in the equation of the parabola yields 2.25 is equal to minus 4x squared plus bx. Adding 4x squared and subtracting bx from both sides of this equation yields 4x squared minus bx plus 2.25 equal to 0. A quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, and c are constant, has exactly one solution when discriminant b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Let's continue here. And this quadratic equation has exactly one solution if discriminant or b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substituting 4 for A and 2.25 for C in the expression and setting this expression equal to 0 yields B square minus 4 times 4 times 2.25 equal to 0. And that means B square minus 36 equal to 0. And which implies that B is equal to plus minus 6. But from the question, it says where B is a positive constant. So B equal to 6 is the answer. Choice D is correct. Now let's go to the next question. Question 4. In a group, 40% of the items are red. Of all the red items in the group, 30% also have stripes. What percentage of the items in the group are red and have stripes? It's given that in a group, 40% of the items are red. 40% red. It follows that the number of red items in the group can be represented by 0.4x, where x represents the total number of items in the group. It's also given that of all the red items in the group, 30% also have stripes. It follows that the number of items in the group that are red and have stripes can be represented by 0.3 times 0.4x or 0.12x. As you know, 0.3 is equal to 30%. Okay? The expression 0.12x represents 12% of x. 12% of x. Since x represents the total number of items in the group, it follows that 12% of the items in the group are red and have stripes. That's the answer. So choice B is correct. Now let's go to the next question. Question 5. The length of a rectangle's diagonal is 5 root 17 and the length of the rectangle's shorter side is 5. What is the length of the rectangle's longer side? Let's first try to draw the rectangle. Let's assume that this is long side and this is the short side. And this is the diagonal. If it's a rectangle, that means this angle is 90 degree and also this is 90 degree. It's also given that the rectangle's shorter side is 5 and the rectangle's diagonal is 5 square root 17. This is 5 square root 17. What is the length of the rectangle's longer side? This is x. What's the length of x? A rectangle's diagonal divides a rectangle into two congruent right triangles, as you can see in the figure, where the diagonal is the hypotenuse of both triangles. The Pythagorean theorem a square plus b square equal to c square can be used here. Okay? So 5 square plus x square is equal to 5 root 17 square. Then 25 plus x square is equal to 425. That means x square is equal to, if we subtract 25 from both sides, x square is equal to 400, which implies that x is equal to root 400, which is equal to 20. That's the answer. So choice B is correct. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much.